Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Messenger on your mobile. So from your App Store or Play Store, all you have to do is to search for Messenger. So let's tap Messenger on the search bar and then tap search. And you will be able to see this app with this logo. All you have to do is to download that to your phone. Once you have that, now you can tap open and it will look like this, so you can have fun ways to engage with your friends or with your followers. You can customize your chats, you can also have groups with polls, and you can set your privacy settings and use this with your businesses as well. So once you have that, you can now tap open and you will be headed to Facebook, and you can now get started to use this app for messaging or calling through video call or audio calls. And also you can search on the marketplace over here. So that's it. That's how we download Messenger app on our mobile. So if this is helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.